Now let's take a look at how we can style lists using Bootstrap. In HTML, we have three different list types. We have unordered lists, which are lists in which the order does not matter, and they are usually displayed with a bullet of some sort. Then we have ordered lists, which are numbered lists. And finally, we have definition or description lists, which are a list of terms along with their associated descriptions. Let's take a look at how Bootstrap allows us to style lists. The first example that I have is an unordered list with a nested ordered list, and this is what it looks like in the browser. This is what it looks like without any other classes. Sometimes you may want to remove the bullets from a list. You can easily do this by adding the class of list unstyled. If I refresh my page, you'll see how the bullets on the list are removed along with some of the padding that is part of the list by default. This particular class will work on both unordered and ordered list items. The next example I want to show you is how we can go ahead and create an inline list. Sometimes when you're working with HTML, you'll want to create a horizontal menu, or you'll want your list items to appear all on one row. You can easily do this by simply adding a class of list inline to the UL or OL item. In addition to adding the class to the unordered list or the ordered list, we're also going to need to add a class to the LI items. This class is going to be list-inline-item. If we save our page and refresh in the browser, you'll see how this second list that I've created appears in line. Finally, let's take a look at the description list. By default, a description or definition list is going to show terms, and in Bootstrap, they're going to automatically appear bold. Underneath the term is going to be the description. You may want to change the visual presentation of these definition lists. You can easily change the term and the description to appear side by side by just adding a couple of classes. I'm going to come to the DL element, and we're going to add a class of row. Then I'll go into the definition terms, and let's go ahead and add a class of col-sm-2. This is going to take up 2 of the available 12 columns with our grid. Then I'll go into the definition description, and I'm also going to add a class, but this time we're going to make the class equal to col-sm-10. If we save the page and refresh, you'll see that my description list is going to now appear in this manner, where the terms are on the left and the descriptions are going to appear on the right. If you want more information on how to style lists, you'll want to go to the Content Typography section, and if you scroll down to the bottom portion of the page, you will be able to find all of the different classes that are available for lists.